Facebook is the biggest social media network in the world. If you're only using Facebook to keep in touch with friends or to find out what potato you are, you could still make some money on Facebook. Even better is if you run a business or have items or services to sell. Anyone can make money with Facebook. So how do you make money with Facebook? Like any other social media platform, you need to be persistent and not give up if you are just not getting any followers. It will take time. A good quality Facebook profile is going to be your best way of making the first impression. Make it look like you're a real person. Use a picture of yourself or your business logo in your profile picture. Include contact information and a website link if you own a local or online business, a city or town where you live. It would be better also if you were creating a separate account. This way you can keep your personal and business activities separate. If you're a business, you don't really want to be posting pictures of your dog skateboarding. There are also a few things that you can't sell on Facebook: alcohol, drugs, tobacco, firearms, animals, real money gambling products and certain healthcare products. But apart from these, you can sell almost anything: second-hand, handmade items, almost anything. If you work along the lines of anything you buy in a local shop without having to show an ID, then you should be okay. How can you make money with Facebook? Once you've got your profile sorted, you can then start to make money. Most likely you'll be selling items or services you already make, buy in or can offer. But in this video, we'll also include a few other suggestions. Sell on Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is a great starting point for making money. Marketplace is a free-for-all area where you can buy and sell almost anything in your local area. Everybody has access to Facebook Marketplace, so they can easily find you and what you are selling, as well as sharing your post with their friends who may also be interested. Write a Facebook post. If you just want to sell to your current Facebook friends, you can write a post, which simply says items for sale. You can also include a picture of the items too. Only your friends will see it, or if your friends share the post, then their friends will. It's worth asking in your post for people to like and share to further your reach. Although this way is limited at the beginning, it's a good way of getting used to selling and posting your goods, and also keeping an eye on any stock you have. Follow up on Facebook Messenger. Once a friend or a friend of a friend shows an interest in what you are selling, use Facebook Messenger to keep in touch. Using Messenger lets you stay in touch with all your customers, previous customers and potential customers that don't make a sale for the first time. If you're selling similar items in the future, you can keep these people in mind and send them a message. It's just like building an email list of people that have shown an interest, and it's a great way of building up your customer list. Join local buy and sell groups. Just selling to friends will be very limiting, and eventually you'll run out of friends who want to buy things from you. That's why you also need to join local buy and sell groups. There will be hundreds of groups like this. You just need to find the ones that you feel relevant to what you are offering. It will be a trial and error period, but well worth persevering with. Facebook makes it easier to sell on multiple groups because you can usually create a post in one group and have the option to choose other groups you also want to appear in. Every group has different selling policies, so make sure you read the group's guidelines before you join and post. Otherwise, you could be removed from that group. The other alternative is to create your own group. If you can't find a group either local to you or one that isn't selling the sort of things, then you could consider starting your own group. This will take time to grow, and you'll need to let competitors into the group if it is to grow. But if potential buyers know they can see a whole range of similar items in one place, then your client base will eventually start to grow. Alternatively, you could join groups just to help others. This might sound odd that we suggest offering your help and expertise for potentially no payment, but it's a great way of building your credibility and becoming a member of a group people come to for help and advice. Find groups that match your area of expertise. Start helping with advice, etc. Don't push the fact that it's your business. Be subtle about it. If you go into a group under your business page, then people will see your photo or logo. Drop little hints that you help people do X, Y and Z with your business, but don't do the hard sell. And we can almost guarantee that eventually you will get some paid work from this. Create a Facebook for Business page. Creating a business page is free and only takes a few minutes, and any business or website is eligible. You'll find out how to create a business page when you click on the tiny triangle at the top right of your personal Facebook page. This will guide you through the making of your business page. Once your page is created, you can share posts with your page followers, invite people to join the page that have bought things from you in the past. Think of your business page as a social media equivalent of having a mailing list. Upload regular messages to your followers, but don't be too salesy all the time. Post how to do things or hints and tips. People will keep coming back to you to see other things that you post, and in between these posts, you can always add things for sale items. People need a reason to keep looking at your page, and just uploading items for sale all the time won't do this. Create Facebook ads. While your business page posts can help you make money, you'll also need to use Facebook ads to reach a new audience. The main benefit of Facebook ads is that you can target a specific audience based on where they live, age, gender and interests. You can go into quite specific details about the type of person you want to advertise to. You can also monitor the people that you've reached and the number of engagements. After the campaign finishes, you can compare the number of engagements to the total campaign cost to calculate your cost per click. Advertising on Facebook is relatively inexpensive for paid ads, since you only choose your target audience for only a few dollars, and you can set a daily budget which, once it's reached for the day, will stop and you don't pay any more. Running Facebook ads is a learning curve based on trial and error. However, because of the low cost, you can try out several small campaigns and set a low daily budget to find out what works best for you. Become a social media manager. If you've grown your Facebook page or any other social media account, you could also get paid to manage other businesses' social media accounts and become a social media virtual assistant. It's a great way of working remotely for either a part-time job or, if you get enough customers, making it a full-time role. You'll probably be asked to manage social media accounts on other platforms. So it's a good idea to at least be familiar with other platforms like Twitter, Instagram and Pinterest, for example. But sometimes companies like someone who specialises in one field, so don't be afraid to go out there and sell your services just for Facebook. Invest in Facebook. If you have some money, then one option to make more is to actually invest in shares for Facebook. Facebook is a publicly traded company on the Nasdaq index, and stocks can be purchased with any brokerage. Just like any stock market investment, shares can go up and down, and while Facebook isn't guaranteed to make you money, there's a fair chance, at least for the next few years, that its shares will continue to rise. Create Facebook Live videos. If you're not camera shy, Facebook Live can be another fun way to build your personal brand. Maybe you create videos that show how you're working from home or using a product in real time. Or you can host live question and answer sessions where live viewers message their questions and you answer them live. As internet broadband speeds continue to increase, live streams are constantly being more and more common. If you have the time and patience, then anybody can make money with Facebook. It doesn't matter if you want to sell locally or promote an online website. Interact with other Facebook members, join groups and maybe even run a paid ad, and you will make money from Facebook. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos each week on how to make money. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to look out for the next one in this series. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Good luck with earning money, guys, and remember, you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both.